everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the 2017 AMC 8 problem number 21. So this problem it gives you two equations, and A, B, and C are supposed to be either positive or negative. And it says A plus B plus C equals 0, and at the same time A over the absolute value of A plus B over the absolute value of B plus C over the absolute value of C equals, plus ABC over the absolute value of ABC. And what the problem asks is, how many values are there for this? So it's basically asking, let me just rephrase that was kind of weird. It's asking, what values can this output? So maybe, for example, 0, 1, -1, something like that. But the max it can output is 4, but you don't know because you have to solve first. So we're going to do this by using casework. And first thing is, we notice that at least one of them has to be positive and one of them has to be negative. So we have two cases. Case 1 is where one of them is positive and the rest are negative. Because if they're all negative or all positive, if they're all positive, they'll be greater than 0, and if they're all negative, they'll be less than 0. So that's explained quickly. So we have to have at least one of the opposite to balance it out, I guess. So first case is if one of them is negative and the rest are one of them is positive and the rest are negative. So plus, minus, minus. And since this is a symmetric equation right here, so that means, basically what that means is that you can switch A, B, C around and the equation will still equal the same thing. So let's just assume that A is positive, B is negative, and C is also negative. So solving, we get, since A over A is just 1, plus negative over a positive, which makes this -1, and another negative over a positive, -1, and then multiplying them all together, plus times a minus times a not minus is positive, so we get +1. And that is equal to 0. So case 1, we see that we get 0. Now let's work with case 2, where we have one negative and two positives. And calculating that out, we have negative over a positive, which is -1. And then we have a positive over a positive, +1, +1. A times B times C is equal to negative over a positive, which is -1. And that's also equal to 0. Since these are the same, the only value that this can be if A plus B plus C is 0 is 0. And that is our answer. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This video is actually pretty confusing, but I'm pretty sure that most of you will understand how to do this problem after you watch this video. I also have other videos on AMC 8 and the newest AMC 8 2018, which I have already published, and you can go check those out. So thanks for watching.